here we are with another one of the Vlogtobers. If you're seeing me for the very first time, my name is Poppy. I go by Poppy Girls on YouTube, and I hope that you stay. Yo, this has to be one of the most dramatic plants. Like, when it's thirsty, it literally looks like it's dying. Like, oh, look at it. But hey, watch it and you will see magic. Super excited for the M Fest, the BMW M Fest that is happening at Kyalami, and I'm gonna get ready for that. You know, just went a little bit of shopping and did my hair, did some maintenance, and yeah, let's see how it looks.
I wonder who you were before all this, and you go round and round till you drip and you're falling. Still got the spark in your eyes, but for what you were losing your mind, your mind. Ooh, don't wanna be a substitute. I wanna mean something to you. Let's be in love, it's up to you.
I haven't been to a party in such a long time. And going out at night, you know, vibing is not really my kind of thing. So this outing is definitely one of those that are for the books, and I'm extremely excited to just party. You know, I've never actually seen Kabza perform, but this time we are partying inside.
All I needed was a mic. Yeah. Hey, pass the rock, it's all butter. Pack your bags and take flight. Don't worry, it's all covered. Hey, live your life while you can. Our days are all numbered. Rain could cause thunder, but the sun comes after, clearing up the disaster.
Isn't it lovely? I ain't looking back, I'm focused on what's in front of me. Everybody day's a number, but I'm still here luckily. I know that God got me, so I'm in good company. Yeah.
Some places I should
me first all the time. No wonder I'm on a high when I'm with you, when I'm with you. Oh yeah, you like the things that I like. If you don't know, you always give it a try. No one can blame me for crying when I'm without you, when I'm without you, yeah. Know you got dreams of your own, sure you got places to go, but I just want you alone, oh yeah, yeah. I know it's hard to be you, all the things you need to do, but baby it's hard for me too, oh yeah, yeah. Mayday, mayday, is there anybody who can help me? I don't think my heart is working lately, lately. I can hear it calling for you. Tell me you'll come home and be my baby. I've been losing sleep, I'm going crazy, crazy. Only you could save me. Only thing I need is your love.
Ay, 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 go crazy. Ay, 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 ay. Twice a day, my type of 2 a day. Woke up with no plans, what I'ma do today. These are not the same, I got new shoes today. My baby missed me, wishing it was 2 of me. And I'm like, if I'm
Thank you for participating in my first ever Vlogtober. I'm so excited to do other challenges as well. It was my first time having to upload content consistently. What worked? I tried my best. The plans was to have a very strict routine on fitness. I did take walks here and there. You know, I didn't do so well with the fitness part. The food, I love my food. Like, we love our food. Every time we get together, we have to be eating something, you know. And yeah, I guess we just need to come up with like better, healthier recipes, because man, the bodies are bodying the opposite side. But anyway, we're grateful. We don't body shame here. We're happy with ourselves. We could do better, definitely. Maybe I will join the vlogmas, I don't know, but you guys let me know what else you'd like to see in this channel. I know that we predominantly focus on travel, but yeah, I'm excited to do more videos on YouTube and learn and grow. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you and you and you and you, all of you, everybody, content all together.